If Philly knows one thing, it's food. Fresh, delicious, and fast. So today, we're gonna check out all the cheap eats that you just can't beat, starting with Woodrow's. Their most popular sandwich, the house roasted turkey, is a classic with a twist.
I do small changes to them to make them better without taking away what people are used to eating.
This Queens Village sandwich shop adds a gourmet spice for a low price. For under $10, you can get fries, sandwich, and a drink. Just look at the flavor oozing from this sandwich. Doesn't it look amazing? Turkey, cran jam, and a little bit of mayo. Talk about yum.
This place is so good because, this is the kind of food that maybe he cooks for himself on his off day, and now we get to share it with him.
Moving from sandwiches to bowls, Brennan Danes makes fast food fresh with their $8 acai bowl.
The acai is basically forest.
It's high in nutrition and low in calories.
It started as a health food craze that's really gone mainstream, and so it's sort of this delicious mix of fruit and acai, and it's filled with protein. It's really healthy. It'll keep you energized throughout the day.
If you are feeling more tropical taste, try Poke Bowl, where you can get Hawaiian cuisine for under $10.
Poke bowls are a trend that kind of has been coming from the West Coast that has infiltrated Philadelphia. It's kind of just like a deconstructed Asian dish, but it is delicious.
Your most popular dish, the house classic.
We have 4 different bases to choose from: brown, white, mixed greens, or kale. And then we go to step 2, which is the proteins. We have 6 different proteins to choose from. We move on to the marinade step, where you bring the flavor out from the fish. And then you finish up with the toppings. Really cool ones like mango, pineapple, and voila.
If you want traditional fast food with a kick, tacos are the next thing on our list.
So tacos are a huge trend. They're coming out of quick serve, out of restaurants, everywhere you go.
At Hefe's in Fishtown, they live by their slogan, tacos that don't suck. And their prices don't either. You can get their Guido's nachos for under $8.
So Guido's nachos are Mexican nachos in the style of Italy. Roast pork, Italian style, from kidney beans, a little sharp provolone, American cheese sauce, and broccoli rabe. It's phenomenal. It's kind of like a roast pork sandwich, but on tortillas. It's amazing.
At Pipeline, you can get a buffalo shrimp taco for $4.
Put that in our tempura batter. We're gonna fry up our shrimp, throw that right on the grill, and we set that down in the tortilla. Some fresh chopped tomatoes. I make a cilantro lime sauce of a house-made buffalo sauce. And then we take a fresh crumbled blue cheese. There is your Tatanka taco.
There are so many places in the city that you can get a gourmet lunch for not such a gourmet price. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Madison Elliott.